Good day, everyone! I am Wilmer C. Hernando, and today I'm gonna share to you my personal PC build. So, without further ado, let's start with the tower case. So, I chose Asus TUF Gaming GT301 for my tower case because it is efficient in cooling and has extensive storage options. It can accommodate up to 2 HDD and 6 SSD. It also has clean and stylish design. Now, for my motherboard, I chose Asus ROG Strix 5 B56G because firstly, it is compatible with the CPU I chose, which is the Ryzen 7 3700X. It has enhanced power solution for maximum durability and comprehensive cooling system. It can also support for faster memory and storage. Next is our hard drive. So I choose WD Purple Surveillance for the hard drive because it has low power consumption. It also has free downloadable cloning software that enables users to copy all data to a new drive. Next is our network adapter. So I choose the Asus PCIe AX3004, the network extension adapter because it delivers wireless speed that are up to 27 times faster than 5 Wi-Fi devices. It improves connectivity of wireless devices and has WPA Wi-Fi security. And now for our CPU or the central processing unit, I choose the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. So I choose AMD Ryzen 7 3700X for my CPU because it is a processor with low power consumption and is multi-threaded with 8 cores and 16 threads. And I also choose the Radeon Gaming GPU for my GPU. So I choose Radeon Gaming for my GPU because this GPU delivers a solid 14 gaming performance and impressive racing at 1400. And for my power supply, I chose iLogic Laser for my power supply because it has a fully modular design which is easier to install. It also has an eco mode which makes the preview run with low power consumption and less binary. And for our RAM or the random access memory, I choose the Delta TUF Gaming Alliance 8GB RGB DDR4 because it supports the AMD motherboards. It has alloy cooling module with high heat transfer efficiency. Of course, for my cooling system, I choose the Alseid H240 for my cooling system because it impresses with its compact design. It has a cooling plate made of copper and the radiator made of pure aluminum for a reliable removal of the generated heat. For my monitor, I chose Pixio Prime PX277 because this 27-inch 140p provides frames and stable 165 Hz and is also FreeSync certified for a free gaming experience with a compatible graphic cards. The screen itself is advertised as anti-glare and holds up in most brightly lit environment. And for my mouse, I choose the Logitech G Pro because it has a sleek oval shape that's easy on the eyes. Logitech also included a mechanical button tensioning system. This efficiency magnifies the consistency of your mouse clicks. For the keyboard, I chose the Corsair K100 RGB optical because it has excellent key response, a decent spread of keys for most hand sizes, a satisfying tactile click to each press, and wonderfully dimpled keys to help rest your fingers. And for my headset, I chose the Razer Man-O-War 7.1 because first, it is a wireless headset. Second, when you're in game, you can hear every position of your enemy. When you have high performance of 50mm neodymium magnet drives and impulsive 7.1 surround sound. And lastly, for my camera, I chose the Logitech C922 webcam because it gives full high-definition 1080p stream and record vibrant true-to-life video. The glass lens and Full HD 1080p captures the most exciting details, bright and natural colors in fluid video at 30 FPS, while at 78 degrees, fluid of view accommodates up to 2 people. Overall, my PC build cost 93,049 pesos. Thank you for watching.